Hey, Adam Shamsin here. This updated video, I'm going to show you how to link a domain name from Namecheap inside System.io, and we are going to authenticate that domain name, and we're going to be using also a business email address for that domain name so we can have a better delivery rate in our campaign. And we are going to link that domain name to a funnel, high-ticket affiliate funnel, and at the end of the video, I have a free gift for you. So let's jump right into it. So as you can see here, it says here coachnmc.system.io. So I have nothing here yet, okay? However, I have a funnel. I'm going to show you that. This is the one I'm going to be using for my, high ticket affiliate business. Go back, and then I also have already an email campaign. As you can see here on the screen, I have 8 emails already written and set up and ready to go. I got a funnel. I got the opt-in page. I got the emails ready, and all I have to do right now is actually, set up my domain name so we can use it for this funnel. Okay, and then also we want to make sure that we have a good delivery rate as far as email. So we're going to be using a business email. Okay, cool. So custom domain here, I'm going to click on it. This is the first time I'm doing it on the fly here, so just bear with me and just follow the steps. So we're just going to click on add domain. Okay, I'm going to be using Namecheap here, so let me click on Namecheap. I'm inside Namecheap. If you don't know Namecheap, this is what I get all my domain names. They're pretty good, I like them. Are we going to be using this domain name here? It says adamshamsin.com. So, and for that domain, I already purchased, if I click on private emails, I already purchased, Adam Shamsin here. I'll show you here. And this is, my private email. I already purchased adam@adamshamsin.com, which we will be using for System.io. Now, if you don't know how to purchase a domain and purchase an email, business email for that domain, just go to namecheap.com. They have a great support. Just purchase your domain and then add a business email address for that domain. Okay, use your first and last name, whatever you want to use, and then follow the steps here with me. Okay, so let's jump right back into System.io. I'm gonna copy it from there and then paste it right in here. Let's see if that's gonna work. It says here domain must begin with www. So that's great. So we learned something, www. So, okay, and then I'm gonna save it. Awesome. All right, so waiting. Have a sip of Turkish coffee. All right, so DNS configuration for your domain. So we are going to have to actually add these records inside Namecheap. Very simple stuff, okay? It's a CNAME. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that, this is the domain we're working on. Click on manage. All right, so we are in. So click on manage, and I'm going to click on advanced DNS. Okay, very simple. Click on advanced DNS. When you purchase your domain name with Namecheap, okay, you can contact support, chat with them, and you can say, hey, listen, I actually purchased this domain name. Can you help me add an email address to that domain name, business email, and help me to update the records for that email address? And they will do it for you. So they will add all these records for you already. This is the reason why I'm with Namecheap, because they have excellent support, okay? Right now, so I'm just gonna add here a new record. So we're gonna add a new record, and we're gonna go and choose CNAME. Boom. And then here the target, we are going to paste the target that we copied from System.io, okay? For host, we're gonna just www, and I'm gonna click on save. Very simple. So we got the first one in here. All right. www, no dot, and then paste in the record. All right. So let's add another one. CNAME. So let's go back to System and then copy this whole thing. Okay. Copy, and then back to Namecheap and paste it in here. All right. Now for the host, go back to System. Copy this code here, but don't include the dot. Make sure that you just copy that part. That's the only part I think you need, okay? So I'm gonna go there, and I'm going to paste it in here. I'm just gonna click on save it, okay? And that should be it. This might take up to 30 minutes. It says here pending validation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this video and then come back, okay? It's ready to use. As you can see here on the screen, it's ready to use. Perfect. So it took about maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Perfect. So let's move on. Okay, next thing. Now, I'm going to click on emails. So it says here, click here to authenticate your domain name and display its information in your email sender, which will help improve your email delivery rate. So I am going to here, my sender email, I'm going to change it right away. This is one. Boom, copy it. I'm going to go back to I'm going to be using that email address, okay? So I'm going to paste it, and this is the email I'm going to be sending from, okay? So sender email, it's Adam Shamseen. Sender name, that's my name, okay? And then test email, let me use Coach Adam as my test email at gmail.com for now, okay? Now, we're going to click on this one here, and we're going to say set up domain authentication. This is very important, okay? AdamShamseen.com. Yeah, see? Okay, cool. So I just put in AdamShamseen.com without the www. I'm learning this with you as well as we go here. All right, so now it says here set up domain authentication instructions. Again, we need to add these records inside Namecheap. Cool. So we're going to do it one by one. Just follow my step here. I think this should be straightforward, I guess. So I'm just going to start with the first one here. Okay, I'm just going to copy that one and go back to Namecheap. And I'm going back to my domain list. And I'm going to Adam Shamseen, click on Manage. And I'm going to click on Advanced DNS. All right. And then remember we added few here before. And then I'm going to click on Add New Record. And I'm just going to go choose the CNAME record, paste the first destination or the value that we did this one. So now we are going to copy this part without the dot. Okay, without the dot. That should work because we already have the adamshamseen.com inside here, so we don't have to. So we already have that. So I'm just gonna paste it in here. That's the first one. I'm just gonna click on save it, and then I'm gonna add another one, CNAME record, head back to Systemi, and I'm gonna copy the second one. This is to authenticate that domain email and host back again. We'll copy that part all the way to right before the dot. Okay, don't include the dot. Copy that, and then head back to Namecheap and paste that, and then save it, and then we'll do the last one. Copy, add a new record, choose CNAME, paste, back to Systemi, copy this part all the way to the dot, not including the dot, and then I'm just gonna paste it, and this should be the last one. It is correct. So now it looks good to me, and then I am going to back to this looks good. Perfect. So we did that, and now it is pending right now. Okay, cool. So it is pending. It will take some time. I'm not sure how long it will take. Sometimes it goes fast, sometimes it takes an hour, sometimes it takes 24 hours. All right, we're not gonna wait for it, but at least we got that over with. That's the very important part. All right, now I'm gonna go back to funnels. Okay, so we're here, and you can click on funnel settings up here. See that? Now it says here, edit funnel. Okay, funnel domain. Okay, I'm gonna change it to Adam Shamseen. See, it's showing up right here. So I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna save it, and I am going to actually see the home here. Delete it. That's it. Home, delete, home, go AdamShamseen.com only, and it should come up. Perfect. So under emails here, you see that I have campaigns. All right, so this is a campaign I want to link I want to link to the opt-in page when people opt in affiliate marketing. If you don't have a list, you know what? You're doing it wrong. Okay, so you need to build your list. So how do we do that? So what we need to do is we have to go to automations and rules. Now it says here there's nothing. So let's create a new rule. Okay, click on create. Trigger when the events happen. So what do we do in this rule? So we're gonna click and choose a rule. We are going to choose a funnel step for subscribe. So now when somebody subscribed, you know, remember to the page opt-in, they put in their name and email address. We are going to choose that step, and then it's asking here choose the funnel. I am going to choose that funnel. Okay, perfect. So the action, we're gonna click the action here. We want them to subscribe them to a campaign. When you opt in, we want to subscribe them to a campaign emails, which I already have. So I click on subscribe to campaign. Choose campaign. I already have one campaign here, which I already showed you, and then I'm going to save that route. Now we have the domain name set up. The email is getting authenticated, and also we linked everything, and everything should be working. Let's test it. Just open a new browser. And I'm going to type in adamshamseen.com. So this course is going to show you how to actually create, you know, a high-ticket affiliate business, okay, from scratch without doing all the techie stuff and be up and running immediately. All right. So, of course, I will be interested. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to opt in, Adam, and I'm going to choose an email here. Let's do one of my emails here. Let's do this one. And I'm going to click, and that should take people to, boom, this page, where Brian goes in.
Hey, Brian here. It is my absolute pleasure to bring you this 100% free 90-minute.
Perfect. That's all I wanted to show you, how to link, you know, domain to a funnel, you know, and build your list. Very simple. I love Systemi. It's very simple. And I'm going to go to contact to see if I have a new contact. Boom. See, Adam Shamseen. Here, this is a new person who opted in. Now I have this email, Proton email. Let me go check if I received an email. I go to my Proton email, and I should see Adam Shamseen, email coming from Adam Shamseen. Come on, this is it. See it? Let me close this. Adam Shamseen, boom. Okay, now when someone opts in, receive this email immediately in case they miss that page, you know, with the video. That should work. It's working right now. Perfect. It's still showing coachadamc@gmail.com. It's coming from this email address. Why? Because it's still pending. Remember, that takes time. It takes an hour, 2 hours. I'm not sure how long, but if I go back to emails here, you know, I see everything looks great, but it's still pending. Okay, so you just have to be patient. But everything is working perfectly. My partner and I, Brian, we are providing people with a free course, okay, on high-ticket affiliate marketing. That free course should be a paid course, but we're giving this one away for free. If you are new to internet marketing, okay, I've been around for a few years, okay, and I've done amazingly well with affiliate marketing, not just any affiliate marketing, just high-ticket affiliate marketing. And I was using a different system here. I was using Kartra. Let me show you. Okay, this is me, by the way. Okay, this is me. Let me sign out, so you don't think this is the plan with Adam. Okay, focused on one offer because I was testing, low ticket offers and stuff like that. It didn't work. I didn't like it because it was a lot of work in a way because I have to, drive traffic. So I focused on one offer only that paid me, $1,000 and more. Okay, that's back last year. All right. So I'm gonna show you how much I earned from that offer. Okay. Now, affiliate sales. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna click on all time. And I'm going to show you here, you see $98,000 and $838 in total sales. Okay, my commissions was 40%. That's 37 $4,339 earned from me just sending people to an offer. At that time, it was a crypto offer. That offer is no longer, available anymore. That's done. Okay. And all I had to do is just providing value, on YouTube, total of 10 videos. And I worked only for 4 weeks for this offer. And I earned that much money. 5 weeks of work. All right. And I did it from overseas. I was traveling at the same time. So that's how, how lucrative this business is. High ticket affiliate, offers. That's what you need, okay, to be in. But the problem is sometimes, it takes time to sell something for $3,500 because to earn 40% of a $3,500 offer, that's not easy. That's a lot of money, right? So now for 2024, we are promoting $1,000 offer only, and you will earn 40% of that, like $400 per sale. That's affordable because people can afford $1,000, a coaching program on high ticket affiliate marketing. So what we are doing is we are taking people into that course, into that coaching program. They will learn everything within a few days, and then we'll give them a free funnel, absolutely free, 100%, where they can provide a free course and then run, traffic into that funnel and earn 40% and more in sales. Okay. I was doing coaching before. I shut down all my coaching program because it was a lot of work. I have to show up every single day. Okay. I had to give support, and I was really running crazy, and I had to hire a virtual assistant. So creating your own program, yes, you will get 100% of the sales that you may think, but your cost is more and your time is more. So you have to hire people to help you to fulfill, all this, you have to support, you have to have a Facebook group, you have to have a lot of support, in order to run that program. So for me, it was like, I'm not used to it. I earned $37,000. I did 100K in sales, for something I didn't even have to give support to. So all I had to do is just direct people into that, through my YouTube videos. And I don't have many YouTube videos. I only have I did only maybe 7 or 8 videos for that offer. And then I was living off of that money for the whole year of 2023. So this is the reason why I came back to high ticket affiliate offer, because I don't want to do my own offers. So I always recommend, especially if you're not really super experienced, because I recommend you, if you are new, just do that instead. All right. Instead, and focus on mastering how to promote things instead of creating and supporting and hiring and doing all this crazy stuff. And you have to deal with somebody, and you also have to deal with refunds. You don't want to do that. You're just promoting one program right now, okay? And I'm going to give you access to that course at the end of this video, okay? But thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you, setting up your domain name and email, and show you exactly how Systemi, works if you already have a funnel built. Of course, it takes time to build a funnel, design all that. We have everything ready here in case you're interested, to access that free course, leave me a comment here, like this video. It took me a few hours to record it for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, so when I release a new amazing stuff, for this year 2024, so this way you are in the loop. And then I'm happy to help you at any time. So thank you so much for watching, and then I will see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye bye.